Ted. So looking at your website, one thing I really like is you have a lot of content on here. Obviously, these reviews help, but yeah, you guys have a lot of content on here. That's going to definitely help you when it comes to Google finding keywords and ranking on Google. You guys have 2,214 words. So that's really good right there. So that impressed me. Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better. And you want to have keywords within that content for Google to find. And it's just, it's going to help you rank better on Google. And you guys are doing really good with that. So that's good. Let's check out what these images are saved as. That's another thing. New roof for a customer in New Brighton. So that's location specific. So that's good. But you want to have this saved as a keyword. So I would change this to like roof repair New Brighton or roofing New Brighton, if that makes sense, along with all these other ones. The St. Paul, so, roofing St. Paul or roof repair St. Paul. You could do St. Paul MN. It's all up to you. It's just an opportunity to have another keyword that for Google to find on your website. Google can't see images, but it sees what they're saved as, and that's how it gives you the keyword for the images. But yeah, your content is very nice on your page. I didn't obviously read it all, but Google's going to find a whole bunch of keywords in there. Let's type in roof repair St. Paul, see what comes up. So grabbing this top guy, see what he's got. He doesn't have near the content you guys have, so that's not going to help him as much. He's only got 535 words, as well as most people don't save these images correctly. So let's see what this guy does. I'm doubting it. Yeah, he doesn't do it right. A lot of people don't. A lot of people miss that opportunity. So you got that above him, to help you outrank him and get another keyword. It's just a missed opportunity on his part. Let's plug in the Ahrefs, though. It's a cool tool I like to use. It looks like you guys are doing some backlinking, which is good. That helps you with SEO and ranking on Google. UR is 25, DR is 10. So, that's decent. I like the UR is, obviously better than the DR. So, you'd probably want to bump up your DR some. Also, you have 2,000 organic keywords. That helps because you have so much content on your page. So Google's going to find a whole lot of keywords. But yeah, we can come in here and see what your keywords are and what you're ranking for. And you'll see, your keywords aren't really location specific there that you're ranking for, that you're getting all your traffic for. You're getting 59 people that search this. They're just, say you might have a blog, or maybe not. But a lot of people are finding that, and you might get some customers off that. But a large amount of them are probably from all over the country that are finding that. Let's see what you have for location. Roofing, contractor, St. Paul, MN. So you're on the first page here. You're number 6. There's 100 people that searched that, 5 KD. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. So, 5 KD is pretty easy to rank for. You get 7 people a month coming to your website for that. And you get 6 people right here for roofing St. Paul, MN. You can also see people are paying $50 a click right there versus 35 on this one. So if you're doing Google Ads, obviously this is, more people come to it, and it's cheaper to get those, where this is even 19. You can come in here if you want to do Google Ads and go after the ones that are cheap. Let's type in St. Paul and see what comes up, because there's a whole bunch of, you have a whole bunch of keywords on here. But right here, this one's, you can do $1 for this one because no one's bidding this one. Roofing contractor, St. Paul, MN. 20 people search that a month. So that would be obviously one to go for if you want to spend a little bit of money on Google Ads. Here's a siding contractor one, St. Paul. But, it's also only 3 KD where you could, rank that pretty easily. Bathroom remodeling, you're on the 4th page for that. So, there's definitely some stuff that you can do to rank on here. But yeah, let's go check out your competition. He's kind of about the same as you with backlinks. You got a little more backlinks, but the referring domains are, you had 110, he has 102. He has way less organic keywords because he doesn't have near as much content on his website. Where you guys have a lot of content, which that gives you a lot more keywords because Google loves content. But let's go. You can come in here and grab the backlinks that he has. You can go check out all your competition and grab the backlinks that they have with Ahrefs. You can, you want to go after the high DR, high UR scores. You don't want spammy ones, as well as you want to make sure it's relevant to your industry. You don't want to go after fast food backlinks because Google sees that, it knows it's smart, and it knows that it's just, it's not relevant to your industry, to your website. You want something, with construction, something with, roofing, just something that's relevant. It's going to give you a lot more strength when it comes to backlinks. But yeah, you can come in here and see what this backlink is, see how we got it. This guy, this is just a directory. So he's listed. I don't remember which one, who is he? Twin Cities Roofing. So he's listed on here. It's just a directory. So you can just go, let's see, contractors. There's a way to get listed on here for contractors. Let's see. Let's click that. That might not have done what I wanted. It's not popping up right away in my head. I'm not seeing it right off the bat. I could spend more time trying to find it. But there's a way to get listed on here. And then you can I wish I could see it. I'm not going to waste any more time, though, looking at that. I don't want to waste your time either. So anyways, you can figure out how to get rid of list on here. It's just a directory. And then you can get that citation, that backlink, as well as it would probably give you a citation too, which I'll talk more about later. But let's go check out this guy's keywords. So obviously his name is Twin City Roofing. He chose a direct keyword because 200 people searched that a month, and he saw there was 0 KD, and so he's like, I'm going to jump on that and grab the position number 1. He's also got position number 2. He also got his position number 3 on there, and he very well might have other positions on there. So that is what his name is, but as well as it's a keyword that you could go after. So you might not get all this 200 volume, but you can get a fair amount of that. 0 KD is very easy to rank for. The lower the KD is, the easier it is to rank for. So this is a very nice keyword to go after. Then there's all these other ones too. Let's see, 100 for St. Paul roofing contractors, St. Paul MN, 100 right there. But yeah, you can come in here and find all the ones you like, and then go after other ones as well. If you do windows, gutters, siding, there's going to be a whole bunch of them out there. I can't remember what all you guys do, and I just clicked on the wrong one. Services, basement remodeling, storm damage. We could go check out all the different keywords and find a whole bunch of them for everything you guys do. Next thing I'm going to talk about would be the GMB. So if you guys have one, I saw, you want to make sure you have it 100% filled out. You don't want to skip steps. And then you want to make sure you add as many photos as you can. Photos are the content for your GMB. And obviously they're location specific too, but when it comes to GMB. Next thing would be citations. With citations, just directories. You want to make sure your name is the same as your GMB is on the directory, your phone number, and your address, or your location. You want to make sure it's all the same, and then you'll get a citation for your GMB. Plugging you guys into here, you guys have 42 citations that this thing found. This guy had 55, so you could bump up your citations. You're in New Brighton, this guy's St. Paul, so you could have a GMB. You could go make a GMB in St. Paul, and then bump up citations and grab that one. You could go to other locations, or you could just stay in New Brighton. But anyways, you can come in here and find what citations this guy has. It's just directories, Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages. There's a whole bunch of them. There's a whole bunch of free ones out there. You can just go to Google and find a whole bunch of them. It's something you can do. It's just time consuming. Facebook even, Pinterest, there's a whole bunch of them that will give you citations. And that'll help ranking your GMB. Hopefully, I keep clicking around one. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can talk more. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good rest of the day. I would appreciate it if you could give me some feedback on this video. I know it went a little longer than I like. Sorry about that, but hopefully this video helped you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.